Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about why are people leaving your website so fast? Let's get into it. Many websites experience the same frustrating problem: high click-through rates but low retention. Visitors arrive, then leave within seconds, and often the cause is simpler than expected. One of the most common culprits is pop-ups. These are widely used for capturing leads, promoting offers, or highlighting achievements, and they have their place. However, if a pop-up isn't optimized for mobile, it can significantly slow down page loading. When this happens, visitors often abandon the site before it even finishes loading. The good news is, identifying whether speed is an issue is quick and straightforward. Google's Page Speed Insights is a free tool that allows you to analyze performance. What's important is to test both desktop and mobile. Many businesses only check desktop results, and while their desktop site may score well, the mobile version can tell a very different story. This is a critical mistake because mobile is now the primary way most people browse the internet. From searching on Google to clicking on ads or browsing social media, mobile devices are where the majority of traffic originates. If a website is designed with only desktop performance in mind, it is almost guaranteed to lose potential customers. It's also worth noting that just because a site is labeled mobile-friendly doesn't mean it is truly mobile optimized. Many themes and site builders automatically generate a mobile version, but these can still load slowly or provide a poor user experience. In some cases, a single element like a pop-up or large image can add 20 to 30 seconds of load time. No visitor is going to wait that long. Replaces. The solution is to take a mobile-first approach. That means ensuring that landing pages, pop-ups, and media elements are lightweight and optimized for smaller screens. By focusing on mobile performance first, the desktop version will usually perform well by default. Retention depends on speed. Visitors won't wait for a page to load, no matter how good the offer or product might be. By regularly testing site performance, prioritizing mobile optimization, and minimizing heavy elements, businesses can significantly improve user retention and make better use of the traffic they're already paying for. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.